Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another recipe for you guys, which is oatmeal with fruits. This is a very easy recipe which can be prepared in 1 or 2 minutes, and these ingredients are easily available at home. This recipe I enjoy it as a breakfast, dinner, even as a lunch. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. So without much delay, let's get started.
In a bowl, I have taken 4 tablespoons of oats. I have taken whole oats. You can take rolled oats or gluten-free oats. Add 1 glass of milk. You can even take almond milk or any milk of your choice. Microwave it for 1 minute, or you can even boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it is microwaved, the consistency of oatmeal should look something like this. Now we will start adding the toppings for the oatmeal. I'm taking 2 strawberries which are sliced. Blueberries 10 to 12. You can add as much as you want. You can even add bananas, apples on top of it. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Raisins as much as you want. I'm adding this to get that sweetness in this oatmeal. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 6 to 8 almonds, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this healthy and delicious oatmeal. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, bye bye.